Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Citi Expedia rewards card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Citi Expedia card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in card benefits .citi.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Citi Expedia card login on the Google itself, and on the first page you can see this card benefits.citi.com and arrow with Expedia. Click over there, and this is the home page of Citi Expedia rewards, whereas this is the choosing point where we want to log into the Expedia reward card or the Expedia rewards voyager card from Citi. And now for this video we'll be logging into the Expedia reward cards from Citi. Let's click over there. This is the page from Google, whereas this was the direct landing page we typed on the website. Now since both of these websites are same, let's close one of these. Now to log into your Citi Expedia reward card, you can see the sign on option available over here on the middle of the screen. Click on sign on, and let's let the page load first. And after that, when you land on this page, you can see you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over there and click on sign on to log into your Citi Expedia reward card account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password and you'll be taken to a procedure to retrieve your password of your Citi Expedia card. Or if you have not yet signed up for a Citi rewards card, you can see the register for online access over here. Click over there and you'll be taken to the sign up process of Citi Expedia reward cards. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Citi Expedia reward card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.